In this video, I wanted to share with you 4 stocks that I'll never invest in. If you're new to my channel, I work as a finance manager at a top tech company with an MBA in finance and a CPA designation. I'll be talking about each of the 4 companies one by one, and I'll let you know why exactly I don't want to invest in them. And without any further ado, let's start with the first stock on my list. Stock number 1. Walgreens. Walgreens is a global pharmacy and health retailing giant known for its widespread presence and diverse range of healthcare products and services. At the time of this video, Walgreens stock is trading at $16.03 per share, and the company is valued at $13.8 billion. I have one simple rule when it comes to investing in retail companies. If I go to the store, I want to see a lot of people there. This to me would show that a lot of customers like the company's products and prices, which in turn would mean that the company is also growing their business. But every time I have to go to my neighborhood Walgreens, I feel like the store is emptier and emptier. And this to me is the best explanation why their stock prices have been declining so rapidly in the last 10 years. Walgreens is finding it harder and harder to compete with other retail companies and online stores, which is why I included Walgreens as the first on my list. Stock number 2, GameStop. GameStop is a retail chain specializing in video games and consoles, offering a wide selection of gaming products and experiences to customers worldwide. At the time of this video, GameStop stock is trading at $19 per share, and the company is valued at $5.8 billion. I think this might be controversial, as I know GameStop has a massive following of people now, all buying their stocks to pump up the prices. And I completely understand and respect the movement. But for me personally, I want to invest my money into things that I think have value. And I'm having a hard time seeing any value in GameStop now or going forward, let alone at its current valuation of almost $6 billion. The only way I would probably invest in GameStop is just to join the movement and for the memes. But I would only spend a couple of $100s max, the money I would be completely fine to lose without any real expectations. Stock number 3, AMC. AMC is an entertainment company operating theaters across the United States and globally. At the time of this video, AMC stock is trading at $4.84 per share, and the company is valued at $1.4 billion. There are a couple of different things happening with AMC now. First, the AMC stock has been continuously used as part of the pump and dump movement, similar to GameStop. So there are some open questions about the real valuation of the company now. And anytime I go to AMC, which is also rare, I've never seen it being super busy or packed. With customers changing their movie watching preferences towards streaming services like Netflix, AMC has been having a hard time to attract customers to their theaters. So I'm not very confident in company's business model for the future, which is why I wouldn't be investing in AMC stocks. And stock number 4, Peloton. Peloton is a fitness technology company that has been revolutionizing the home workout experience through its interactive exercise equipment and digital content platform. At the time of this video, Peloton stock is trading at $3.15 per share, and the company is valued at $1.2 billion. I've known a few people that worked for Peloton, and they had nothing but good things to say about the company culture. So it must be a cool and interesting place to work. But when it comes to investing, I'm all about looking at the company's products and business model. Also, I like to invest in those companies that I'm a customer of myself and I like their products. There are a couple of different things when it comes to Peloton. First, I'm not their customer because I thought that their products and services were overpriced. Second, the fitness industry that they're in has a low barrier to entry, attracting many competitors. And third, I don't think Peloton is offering something super unique to maintain its edge over competitors. And for these reasons, I'm choosing Peloton as one of the 4 stocks that I don't want to invest in. So these were the 4 stocks that I'm not going to buy unless if the companies make some significant changes which would make me more comfortable and confident about the company's futures. Let me know in the comments if you're investing in any one of these 4 companies and why. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.